So ang exact location natin at 10 minutes to 6, we are now right in front of Ballesteros District Hospital. Okay, that's it. At ito na po, paparating na po ang ating torch parade ng Cabuluan Elementary School. At nandito ang ating medical officer na si Dr. J. Inantabayan na natin, nandito na po ang parada ng mga sikat coming from Cabuluan Elementary School. Here they are, the Boy Scouts of the Philippines and Girl Scouts of the Philippines of Cabuluan Elementary School in celebration of Scouting Month. Okay, for their school encampment, here they are, marching right in front of Ballesteros District Hospital. Here they come! Ito yung light and drum band. Woo! What a very nice! Really, ito napapasaw. Palakpakan natin sila. Palakpakan natin. Here they are! Napakaganda po pagbasdan. Napakaganda po pagbasdan ang ating torch parade. Ang exact location natin, nasa harapan pa tayo mismo ng Ballesteros District Hospital. As we have to move on closer and closer, papalapit na po tayo sa Cabuluan Elementary School na kung saan mag-end ang torch parade. And it's Cabuluan Elementary School doing the best, nothing but the best. Ayan po ang may bibigay sa atin ng Cabuluan Elementary School, doing its own thing on the occasion of its 2010 school encampment. Okay, we are now at the tail end. At ito po yung grupo mula sa Ballesteros District Hospital. Right sa car on pose is the medical officer. Now, thank you so much for watching the parade of Cabuluan Elementary School. Maraming salamat. Doc, maraming salamat. Nakakuha kayo. Pinagyabang pa sa akin yung... Okay, thank you so much.